Here's what you need to know about what is a VPN concentrator. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A VPN concentrator is a dedicated hardware device that manages large numbers of VPN tunnels simultaneously. It authenticates users, encrypts traffic, and terminates VPN sessions from remote clients or branch offices. Unlike a basic router with VPN support, a concentrator is purpose-built for high-throughput encrypted connections. Key concept: dedicated VPN hardware. A VPN concentrator handles hundreds or thousands of simultaneous encrypted tunnels. It offloads crypto processing from general routers, delivering far better performance at scale. Key concept: remote access and site-to-site. Concentrators support both remote access VPNs, individual users dialing in, and site-to-site VPNs, branch office to HQ. One device handles both use cases. Key concept: authentication and encryption. Concentrators integrate with Radius or LDAP for user authentication. They apply encryption protocols such as IPsec, SSL, TLS, or IKEv2 to tunnel traffic securely. Key concept: hardware acceleration. Purpose-built ASICs accelerate AES encryption and hashing. This lets the concentrator sustain gigabit-speed VPN throughput without overloading a CPU. Let's look at the full breakdown. Remote access VPN, client-to-site tunnels, SSL, TLS, or IPsec. Individual user auth via Radius. Site-to-site VPN, router-to-router tunnels. IPsec, IKEv2, pre-shared key or certificates. Protocols supported: IPsec, SSL, TLS, IKEv2, L2TP, AES 256 encryption, SHA-256, SHA-384 hashing. Placement: DMZ or internal network edge, behind perimeter firewall, dual-homed on public-private. Here's a real-world example. A company with 2,000 remote employees deploys a VPN concentrator at HQ. Each morning, employees launch their VPN client, authenticate with their AD credentials, and get a secure encrypted tunnel. The concentrator terminates all 2,000 sessions simultaneously, routing each user's traffic to the right internal subnet without slowing down the network. Quick recap before you go. 1. VPN concentrators manage hundreds to thousands of simultaneous VPN tunnels. 2. Supports both remote access, client-to-site, and site-to-site VPN modes. 3. Uses IPsec, SSL, TLS, or IKEv. 2 protocols with AES encryption. 4. Hardware-accelerated crypto ASICs provide gigabit speed throughput. 5. Integrates with Radius LDAP for centralized user authentication. That's what is a VPN concentrator covered. Exam tip. The exam may ask why a VPN concentrator is used instead of a router. The answer is dedicated hardware acceleration. Concentrators handle far more simultaneous tunnels at higher speed than a router's software-based VPN. Next up, what is a content filter? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.